비디오야 돼?
Yeah. I got home from work about 2 a.m. in the morning. Then another part-time job again today. So I have to be full of energy today. But I haven't eaten my breakfast yet. So maybe later we can drop at 7-Eleven to buy some food. Let's go. Come and join me today with my journey having part-time job. Punta muna tayong konbini.
Kasi kung nagsisi ko yan. Kasi dapat napunta siya.
Ayan ngayon dito.
Sandwich.
Dapat nandil yung habak eh.
We stop here at Family Mart to buy some breakfast. Let's go inside. Are you hungry?
Very hungry.
All of us are hungry. And they have a shop out here. Then you see what else we can buy. They have some ice cream also here. Ayan yung binili mo. Yeah. Alin? I still have a coffee left in my bag, so I don't need to buy some more. Masyadong matapang pero iba pa rin yung lasa niya. Compare doon sa gusto mo doon.
Saan?
Cold coffee.
Ayoko ng malamig.
Yun na lang. Sige. What do you want to drink? You can choose whatever you want. Here. You just want a tea. Hot to? What else I can buy? They have a lot of breads here. It's hard to choose. I don't know.
Facial tayo. Nakawa, itan na dito. Oo, game. Tapos saan tayo pupunta?
What a beautiful cherry blossom.
Ay, ito ang ganda ng focus niyo.
Ayan o, maganda yung... They're buying also.
Hindi pa nakalubog yun. Si ang pangalan, si Vicky. Alam mo, nandun.
We are going to have a rehearsal first. Then after that, we still have left time. Maybe we're going to eat lunch first. Arigatou.
Upo tayo ng kanan namin, di ba? Pag nakabita si Kuya, para kasama.
Oops! Kochika.
OK。3、2、1。
押しました。
We are going to eat lunch first because we still have time. It's beautiful inside. There's a lot of people here eating round table for us.
サイドメニュー。なんだっけ、迎えてる。なんだっけ。
フレンチフライズ。
フレンチフライ。
Caesar salad to. Hati tayo nito po.
シーザーサラダ。これは何？
Hati na lang tayo dyan.
サイドメニュー。サイドメニュー。シーザーサラダ。
Caesar salad to grilled chicken. Pag maya, pag ano rin yata,
シーザーサラダって何？
Caesar salad. Caesar salad with roast chicken and hot
これか。これやこれ。あ
egg.
ったあった。
Masipag
お？
yun. Ato chicken. Ayang laman. Slice
may ano siya. Bread and butter.
Ay, ano ba yan? Mas maganda pa yung normal na kain.
Pang slice.
Ano daw yan? Ito you can bread.
Is your towel. Yes, your towel.
Parang maganda na ikira.
Let's try. Let's eat now. Let's try their bread. Yeah, let's. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda natin dyan.
Bunso dito ka.
Ano nga natin kay Anthony?
Kasi ba? Bigyan mo kami.
Let's eat, guys.
これビデオやね。
Yeah, video. Say hi to them, to my viewers. Hello everyone. This is Aisha. This is, what's your name? Jackie. Lisa. Please support Sarah for her Sarah.
Hindi may slice. Ang tigas. Ang ganda. Kanina mainit. Ay, ang sarap nito. Mainit-init.
This salad. I like salad. That's why I did not.
I have a salad food
Here's your
here.
favorite.
I don't like pasta. That's why I
Here's your
eat
favorite.
salad.
Are you on diet?
Okay, I put in
Are
your
you on
plate.
diet?
Yes, I'm on diet because I'm fat now.
Thank you, sir.
So delicious.
Let's eat. Kailangan social. Nakabidyo.
Yeah.
Let's eat.
They're so funny, guys.
I like fun very much. That's the garlic. Garlic ba? Nakakilit. Ayan.
Thank you. This is my order. Yes, red.
あと本はあるかもしれない。
We retouch after eating. Retouching.
一生懸命頑張ります。
cigarette.
あ、すごいしな。
AD に徹したわけではない。
Ah, kawaii.
Ay, sa thank you. Kuya, matamara na.
We're about to start now.
爆笑されてましたよ。はい、悔いないように。
Hello, welcome to Sarah's vlog. Please support Sarah. Thank you. Ang ganda ng view. It's beautiful. No day off this week. I want to sleep. I want to go home early. How do you feel right now?
Tired.
How about you?
So very tired.
How about you? How about you?
I feel good. Feel good.
Because we are a Filipina, we always smiling.
Yeah.
Driver is also tired. Thank you for always driving us. Yeah? Oh, here's your coffee. I will give you that, okay? Yay! Per minute.